In 2027, approach the world with a renewed sense of curiosity, choosing to travel in ways that are truly unforgettable. For 140 nights, pursue new experiences, from mindful activities to culinary pilgrimages, aboard the ship that's perfected luxury. Seven Seas Splendor. Enjoy impeccable service from our professional and friendly crew, who are dedicated to fulfilling your wishes as you sail across the hidden gems of the South Pacific to the radiant coastlines of the Mediterranean. Aboard Seven Seas Splendor, you will be enveloped in the sheer joy of our all-inclusive luxury experience. Experience the world in all its splendor.